What's going on, everybody? Today we're at the Waldorf Astoria, gonna do a room tour of the Strip View King Room in room 2029, 20th floor. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into this nice room, this is a Hilton's property room. For those of you who may be wondering what is Waldorf Astoria, apparently they have a couple in different locations. This is your entry area. To the left though, this is your closet. So this is like a minor door here, nothing serious. There's plenty of space around here. So up here you have cabinets all the way across. I'm not gonna open them all. You have a little space here, so I guess you could put some luggage here or store plenty of things here if you want. Down here below, you have in-room safe. So if you need to lock up your valuables, you can. And then as the cabinets above, those are drawers all the way across. Over here is your actual cabinet. So as cabinets is your closet. You got a robe, and you've got your luggage rack, ironing board. So here's your closet. It's pretty nice size. And then of course, behind the closet is your full body mirror. You got a nice size full body mirror. Check yourself out before you hit the strip. And then headed into the main part of the room. As you proceed this way, to your right, this is your bathroom. It's a really nice bathroom. It's gonna get interesting as we go through along, but this is your soaking tub. So you got a nice size soaking tub. And then, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what these are. It looks like you got some spoon. What is in here? I'm not sure what's in here. Oh, it looks like some type of salt. Excuse me. So you can put some salt in the tub and you have a nice relaxing spa style bath if you sit in there. So that's the room over there. This is your dual his and hers sinks with a nice mirror above and a vanity mirror on this side for those who need it. So behind door number one, this is your toilet. So you got a separate toilet and shower area. That's your toilet. Nice size, little nice space. And then you got another robe here in the bathroom. Behind this door is your standing shower. So you've got a nice design standing shower. You've also got an extender shower head. So you got a nice tall standing shower, plenty of space. Then going into the main part of the room, before I leave the bathroom, where's the door, Tim? Right here. So that's how you open and close your door. For those of you who may be wondering that. So here is the main part of the room. So let's go ahead and let's cut the lights on. As you see, it'll cut those lights up there on when I hit the switch. And then you can open the blackout and the shears, so you can get a nice view of the strip, which we'll get to in a second. So for those of you who are like, man, what if I'm in a room with somebody and I'm taking a shower, I want my privacy? You can actually close this door here and it'll actually block out the bathroom. So just for quick view, if you're in the bathroom and you want to lock everything up, they won't see you in the bathroom. So that's how you get you some privacy, but you can do that. This is your king size bed. It's a very nice size bed, nice design overhead. And then on each side you've got some lights, so you can actually cut on and off the lights bedside. Here's your flat screen TV with a sound bar below, so that's pretty cool. So you want to hook up some music or listen to the TV, you'll have a sound bar. And then down here below, I found this actually interesting when I was trying to figure out what was in here. So that's your coffee maker with coffee cups on this side. And then over here you have some glasses and wine glasses. So it's very interesting. And then over here you've got your mini bar. So if you want to purchase some things, no mini refrigerator, just a mini bar. But you can grab those, they're sensor weighted. And then there's your ice bucket. Your cups were below. So here is a work desk area. If you need to handle some business, you got a desk. And then oddly over there is your connectivity panel. So you've got chargers, USB, standard outlet, and other media ports for those who may need them. And then this is like a little chair couch area. And then the finale, this is a strip view. So you get a very nice view of the strip. And for those of you who are like, where's Waldorf Astoria? It is in between Aria and Park MGM. It's like a little narrow entrance, but it is on the strip, so you get a really nice view. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.